In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put image inside text in Microsoft Word. Tutorial. This creative technique allows you to fill your text with an image, giving your document a professional and visually engaging appearance. While Microsoft Word doesn't provide a direct way to do this with regular text, we can achieve it using the Smart Art feature, and today I'll show you how to make it work seamlessly. These steps work with Microsoft Word for Microsoft 365, as well as Word for Mac and versions dating back to Word.blank. To begin, place your cursor approximately where you want your text to appear in the document. Exact placement isn't critical at this stage because we'll adjust it later. Next, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and select Smart Art in the Illustrations group. On a PC, choose the basic block list from the Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box and click OK. If you're using a Mac, select Lists from the drop-down menu and then choose Basic Block List from the submenu. Once your Smart Art graphic is inserted, press the Delete key until only a single text box remains. This will serve as the placeholder for your text. Click inside the text box and type the text you want to fill with an image. After typing your text, select it, go to the Home tab and choose a new font and size to match the style you want. Thicker, bold fonts generally work best for this effect because they display the image more clearly. With your text selected, switch to the Format tab, which is only visible when the Smart Art design is active. Click Text Fill and choose Picture from the drop-down menu. On a PC, locate your image in the Insert Pictures dialog box. On a Mac, use the Finder window to select the image. Click Insert, and your image will now fill the text. To make your text stand out even more, select Text Outline and pick a color from the drop-down menu. You can also adjust the outline thickness by selecting Weight and choosing the desired option. For additional visual effects, explore text effects, such as adding a shadow or glow. Today, we'll add a shadow for extra depth. Next, adjust the size of the text box using the size menus, but avoid shrinking it too much to prevent reducing the font size. You can also use the top or bottom resizing handles on the Smart Art wrap to fine-tune its dimensions. Once satisfied, click inside the text box, go to Shape Fill, and select No Fill. Click outside the text box but within the Smart Art wrap, then choose Wrap Text and select an appropriate option, such as Tight, to control how the Smart Art interacts with surrounding content. Your text with the embedded image is now positioned in your document. You can further adjust placement or edit the text as needed. As always, remember to save your file to preserve your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.